Oh!
Required weekly test. The preceding signal was a test of the NOAA radio public warning system. Specially built receivers
Let's go!
by the signal to warn of severe weather or other hazards. Tests are normally
This thing went off.
Wednesday between 11
It has the, I think, ER50 siren.
6 and 8 p.m. If severe weather is expected on Wednesday, the test will be postponed until the next day, weather permitting.
Let me put this thing.
Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning signals, can vary at any given location. This being degree, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the as 95 degrees, which was set in 2020.
We'll see if they'll go off.
Low temperature was 69 degrees. This low was 5 degrees above the normal low of 64. The record low is 48 degrees, which was set in 1973. For station KIH 26 in Daytona Beach, warning alerts will be activated for Volusia.
Well, let's go.
Putnam, Lake,
They work.
Brevard.
Yeah, you might get something tonight and tomorrow mainly. Got a marginal down here, which we already had literally like what 3 TORs down there in Fort Lauderdale and then a General Thunder. So we'll have to see.
Volusia counties. For station WXJ70 in
That thing has a pretty cool siren.
activated below normal.
I'm gonna see if TBW goes. I don't know if they will, cause they didn't go off this morning, apparently.
Warning alerts will be activated for Indian River, Martin, Okeechobee, and St. Lucie counties.
This has been a test of the NOAA Weather Radio Public Warning System. We now return to the regular broadcast program.
Your weather out
There it goes.
5 p.m. Orlando International Airport, Light Lane, temperature 71 degrees, dew point.
Oh, there it was. That was the weekly test with my new radios. Good. TBW is going off.
This is NOAA Weather Radio, the 24-hour voice of your National Weather Service. The preceding signal was a test of the public warning and alarm for transmitters in the Florida listening area, originating from Ruskin, Florida. This is also a test of the same system for a specific area message encoder. The same system will alert only the county or counties affected by a particular warning. These tests are conducted each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon, and again between 6 p.m. and 8 p.m. unless severe weather threatens. This concludes the weekly test. We now return to regular programming. Your coastal waters forecast.
Well, there it was, guys. That was a weekly test for both TBW and Melbourne. That was WXK 83A, by the way. So yeah, that's basically it. You guys enjoyed? See you guys soon.